Maybe somebody in your wedding party might outshine you, hands down.
The horror.
Is that going to be you, Kush? Our first bridal applicant is Natasha Patel. She's 29 and she's having a Parsi wedding. She is marrying Roozbeh Mistry. He's a pilot and she proposed to him on a skiing trip in Gulmarg.
Okay.
I love that, a woman who takes charge.
I known him for the last 10 or more years. Love naturally happened and we've been together since 2016.
You understand fashion, you have a strong sense of style. So you've obviously got some kind of a mood board in your head and references, yeah. So talk me through it, like what are you imagining looking like?
For me, I'm envisioning like a lehenga, a nice blouse. I love full sleeves and a high neck. That's like, I feel like it makes me elongate it a little more. The color scheme would be ivories, neutrals, biscuit, white even. Like I love a good classic white.
We have no other silhouette preferences, like just a sari. Nobody here is hot on just a sari.
I think that a well-worn, beautifully draped sari would also look stunning. If I can put it like Shilpa Shetty look. The low-slung sari, the long torso, a short blouse, really whatever, body fitting, even the sari well draped, and then perhaps a veil to add to that. Something out of the blue, but lovely.
Even though my mom and I would have different opinions, suggestions, and just like vibe with the outfit completely different, I still want to see that, you know, the sparkle in her eyes when she looks at me in that outfit and says, oh my God, this is what I've envisioned for you all your life.
Okay, so I think I know what you girls are looking for, primarily what Natasha is looking for, because that is going to be my focus. But I would not like to disappoint any of the Patel women. Okay, so Natasha,
Yes.
how experimental are you feeling?
I'm feeling experimental.
You are?
Yeah.
Because there is a moment I remember from our first chat where your mum said that she wants to see you looking like Shilpa Shetty
Oh my.
in a sexy sari. How do you feel about that?
Like I'm feeling confident enough to pull it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then should I cue one on?
Yeah. Done. I'm in a sari. Do I look like Shilpa Shetty now?
Sorry, dude.
Everyone's like...
Kush, you're not looking very Kush. So do you want to walk me through why you're not loving this one?
It's the color, first off. Then there is no bling to it. And then the blouse is good.
Cutthroat,
The
huh?
pattern is good. But it's too boxy. It has no fit. She's like, you know, like a little Diwali firecracker. And then this outfit is like, you pull the plug out and only the dhua you can see. There is no light in it.
You look like a Parsi auntie, basically. Nothing against the Parsi aunties.
What's wrong with being a Parsi auntie? I love Parsi aunties. Natasha, tell me, how are you feeling in this?
True feelings are that it's not bridally enough, but like the lace I feel is aging me for some reason. I feel like it's not bringing out a very bride-like vibe, color-wise as well. Love the blouse, love the jewelry that's going with it, but I feel like it's not standing out.
Maybe somebody in your wedding party might outshine you, hands down.
The horror.
Is that going to be you, Kush? Okay, I can't have my bride not feel happy in what she's wearing. Let's rework this and come back.
I think so. Let's go.
Very pretty.
Wow.
It's very pretty.
This is stunning.
Yeah?
It's very pretty.
It's really beautiful.
But now I'm thinking for your wedding. It's really different from what you'd see a Parsi bride wear.
Why don't you tell me what you're liking about this one?
I am liking the fact that the opposite of Mum said in terms of it doesn't look like a typical bridal sari for a Parsi bride at least. Again, contrary to what Tanya thinks, I love the double shade that's going on here, which is the reason why I chose it compared to the other ones, because I was like, okay, unique.
So if I had to ask you right now, are you saying yes to the dress?
It's a maybe.
After the first couple of changes, I can sense that there's a little bit of dread setting in. I feel like Khush is getting a little impatient now. She's almost low-key panicking about maybe not finding an outfit that she loves.
I'm excited but nervous to see it, because if they hate it, I don't know what I'll do. Surprise, guys!
Yes.
Save the best for last.
Yes, yes.
When I've lost all hope of finding the outfit today, you know, Divya throws this into the picture, puts her into this gorgeous lehenga. 100% this is it. It's a yes. You know, I really was nervous this time.
Yeah, she was very
Yeah.
Just
He's hit
fits
the nail on the
perfectly.
head.
Is Tanya crying or laughing? I don't understand. She's just like, I can't see her eyes only. It's like,
Sister's gonna get
so
married
small.
now.
I can't wait.
You're looking like a
Yeah.
doll.
I almost have tears in my eyes. And you can ask Natasha, I never get emotional. But no, she looks beautiful.
I felt very nice. Like that full ethereal vibe I was getting
You
the
felt
minute
like
this.
bridal, you
Yeah, the minute
felt
this
like
came
that.
on, I was just like, okay, I'm very comfortable in it. It feels like it's for me in a way.
It's really.
Left all of us speechless.
Yes, you have.
Because I see this unanimous joy on all of your faces, I'm going to ask the question to all of you. Are you ladies saying yes to the dress?
Yes!
Fantastic.
Good job, guys. Good decision.
Natasha,
Yes.
as the leading star of Keeping Up with the Patels, are you saying yes to the dress?
I'm saying yes to that dress.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, my darling.
The emotions I am feeling right now are just like very drastic. Like there's an overwhelming feeling of sorts. I don't know, I feel like everything happens for a reason in life. I felt like it was made, like tailor-made for me.